a month. Does that sound like it could impact your life at all?
Yes.
Right now you're saying to yourself, can I really do this? Can I really do this? Is it possible? Is this for me? God, you made it sound so easy. Is this really for me? Can I do it? The question really is, will you do it? The question really is, will you do it? Because we just shared with you some folks who have done it. There are several at the end of this talk downstairs right now. The question, ladies and gentlemen, is not can you do it, but will you do it? Will you take the action necessary to change your life, to move your life from wherever it is to its very next level? Will you take those steps? Because if Tyler and I could do it, so can you. We had no previous network marketing experience, ladies and gentlemen. We were traditional business persons, prisoners of hope, for 27 and 23 years respectively. Prisoners to the point where we could not take a vacation, we could not be away from our business. We had to be there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And all we wanted was that dream of financial independence that we all seek. Instead, we found ourselves prisoners. Ladies and gentlemen, on February 4th, I made a decision. And 10 months later, we were pronounced financially independent. 10 months later. We had no template to follow. We had no one to show us how. We did not have a meeting like this to which we could invite our guests. You now have tools to work with, ladies and gentlemen. We can shorten that process. Are you ready to run, or are you ready to sit and groan? There's a story I'll share with you real quick. There's a gentleman who came out of the train station and he heard a dog groaning. He passed two men sitting on two chairs and there was a dog sitting with them and lying with them, and this dog was constantly groaning. It bothered him. He went by them and the dog was groaning. He went by them a second time and the dog was still groaning. He went over to them the third time and he said, "What's wrong with the dog? Why is he groaning?" And one of the men said, "He's lying on a nail." So the passerby said, "Well, if he's lying on a nail, why doesn't he get up?" And the other gentleman said, "I guess it's not hurting enough." Ladies and gentlemen, my question to you is your nail hurting enough? Are you prepared to get up and take action, or are you prepared to sit there and roll? What is it going to be, more rolling or action? Because as long as you sit there and roll, you are sitting there and rolling. Nothing will change. I urge you to get up and take action and to do that tonight. Change your life. Make a decision to change your life, whether you are a brand new distributor or you are an existing distributor. Make a decision that effective immediately. I am going to take action. I will not grow anymore. I will not grow anymore. But how do you become a Visalus distributor? Well, how do you get involved with a company? You can either choose to become a distributor or a customer. As a customer, you are on the product, you've made a decision for yourself. As a distributor, you have one or two ways to get involved. You can decide to get involved on the $39 track, build your business from zero to ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, you get some of the perks off. If you want to have all the perks, if you want to get an agreement club, if you want to get immediate access to a revenue sharing pool, immediate access to our bonuses. The way to get involved is with the $499 package. It will cost you $528 by the time the package is landed here in Jamaica. You will get $300 worth of back immediate access to our online prospecting network. Ladies and gentlemen, you will get everything you need to immediately start building your business. Best of all, you will get a silver voucher. A silver voucher that says Admit 1, which takes you into the training that's about to take place right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we do not collect your money and say good luck. Maybe the top 3% to them, the 97% of you, we don't care. No, we do not do that. We say to you, as long as you're a Visalus distributor, you are entitled to the best training that's available in the world in this industry. It's called Fusion Training, which comes in 4 tiers. The first tier is the basic training. Ladies and gentlemen, at that basic training, you will get the basic tools that you need to start having success. The basic steps invited. 4 chairs, this is a company called Fusion. It's used to do marketing training for companies like BMW, companies like Microsoft, ladies and gentlemen, companies like Pfizer, 2021, Remax, to name a few. They now exclusively train Visalus distributors to have success. That's all they do. And as a 499 distributor, you get access to that first tier of Fusion training. Why should you take action right now? We've given you a lot of very good reasons. We've given you a whole host of good reasons. That can share with you the solid foundation, our world-class management team. He shared with you the science back of our unique products and the impact that it has had on our community. Ladies and gentlemen, I've spoken about the simple ABC system, the training, and the support that you're guaranteed once you become a Visalus distributor. We talk about the incentives for cars, cruises, etc., but for none of those reasons that I urge you to make that life-changing decision this evening. The reason that I urge you to make it is this, and this only, timing. You see, 18 months ago, my husband and I were excited because we had the opportunity to bring this product to Jamaica and the Caribbean. When you fast forward to 18 months hence today, we stand on the cusp of global expansion. 4 weeks ago, we signed a partnership with a publicly traded company called Life Inc. They're the largest direct sales company in the world.
Ooh.
They are now our full partner. What does that mean? That means for us as a company, as a group of persons, as entrepreneurs, that we now have a global infrastructure in which we can now land our business. We can now leverage an existing global infrastructure. We no longer have to go to Europe and figure out exchange rates and treasury and taxes and warehousing and all that sort of distribution. We don't have to do that. We now have an existing infrastructure in which to drop our global business. So the stakes have changed, you see. For $500, you could have had a business that you could have taken anywhere. Today I say to you, you have a business for $500 that is a global, multi-million-dollar business if ever I saw one. You see, Visalus is a startup company. We're 3 years old. The person that was in Herbalife when Herbalife was 2 years old before they went global, she now earns $2.5 million per month. She was a Herbalife distributor when Herbalife was 2 years old. The opportunity you have is to become a Visalus distributor when you're 3 years old. Today she earns $2.5 million. Guess why? She saw global expansion of Herbalife. That's the opportunity you have. Here's what I just told you. I just told you that if Clive and I could do it, so can you. Here's what I'm saying to her. If she could do it, so can I. Yes.